In this video, we will discuss the topic of AI and cybersecurity. As technology advances, so do the challenges in keeping our digital world secure. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is playing a crucial role in strengthening cybersecurity. However, AI in cybersecurity is a double-edged sword. It is both a useful tool for enhancing security measures, as it is as a potential risk vector if misused by threat actors. Used for threat detection, AI can significantly enhance cybersecurity through improved detection and response. By analyzing data and patterns, AI algorithms can identify and prevent potential cybersecurity breaches in real time. AI-powered cybersecurity systems are capable of detecting and responding to cybersecurity threats at a speed and scale beyond human capabilities. Automation, deep learning, and threat intelligence allows AI to be more efficient in its decision-making processes, enhanced authentication, and early detection of potential cybersecurity threats, and improving the reliability and defenses in cybersecurity. However, if misused, AI can be exploited by cybercriminals to conduct more sophisticated cybersecurity attacks. For example, using AI to mimic human behavior and speech through voice cloning, to make it difficult to detect and counter using traditional cybersecurity tools. Just as AI-powered cybersecurity measures can detect and respond to threats quickly and more efficiently than human, it could also be used to automate cyber attacks at a level and speed that is not possible by human operators to achieve. Educating people about the potential threats posed by the misuse of AI in cybersecurity and promoting an awareness of cybersecurity threats is critical in safeguarding IT systems and sensitive information from cyber attacks. As cyber threats continues to evolve, AI-powered technology will also continue to advance to stay ahead, and forming a critical line of defense in safeguarding our IT systems and infrastructure. There is also an ethical consideration of using AI in cybersecurity to ensure that AI-powered systems are transparent, fair, and free from biases. It is also important to ensure the safety of data and privacy in order to build a robust cybersecurity foundation for the future. To delve deeper into the fascinating world of AI and cybersecurity, check out the links in the description below. Let's harness the power of AI to protect our digital world.